Hey, what is up guys, grandmaster back with another video. Welcome back, or welcome to my YouTube channel, like usual. Now, you probably read the title, and we are going to be getting, what was it again? Yes, the grandmaster badges. Ooh, can't wait to say these. Okay, here we go. Sunflower. Mushroom. And blue flower. Alright, got that screenshot real quick. Now, we have finally gotten all grandmaster badges for low fields. Finally, but surely we have done it. Now, how many tickets do I have? Still not enough, darn it. Alright, so anyways, the next thing we're gonna do is we will be using this. Oh wait, let's go over here and grab the star treat. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and bye. Bye. Oh my gosh, there it is. Alright, and there we go. Oh my gosh. Now, my problem is who do we give it to? Alright, let's go into the bees. Now, I have to do event bees. Now, I don't need tab because that's just critical power. Photon, 5% instant conversion, no need for that. Now, festive also gives those extra gifts, but no need for that. But what I'm thinking is I'm doing on Bearby, because that's 5% pollen. Because it's a star treat. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Ready to give it? Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Purchase. Yes. Look at it. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Finally. So it was dark brown, now it's light brown. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's see how many more we need. So we have 5. For sure. We have 5. 10. 20. 30. Just 3 more. Just 3 more. Now, I think I have a good way of doing this. Now, I have a star egg, but the problem is I don't know who to use it on. Now, the problem is I don't want to use it and then get a gifted basic bee. I mean, yes, I would like a gifted basic bee, but yeah, you get the idea, you get the point. It's just so upsetting that I'll be losing it, but I have so many eggs to give up and give for it, which is nice. Okay, guys, here it comes. I'm going to take this. But before I do, I think I will purchase this star egg for 800 Robux. Now, I might be screwed after this, but okay, guys, here we go. I don't think I want to do it, though. Oh, gosh. Should I do it? I don't know. I think I'm going to do this first. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. A gifted hasty bee? No. I think it's rigged. I think it's rigged. Bro, I'm crying right now. Please be a type I haven't discovered. No, oh no. Oh no. Just wasted it. No, what happened? Bro, what happened? No. What happened? Oh no, onett, did you rig it? Dude, what the heck? So I can't buy it because I guess I have all types, but I didn't know that. Oh no. Onett always wins. Onett always does. I don't need a gifted hasty bee, that's the problem. I'm gonna have to change it back to a basic bee. Oh no. What do I do? Oh no. God. That was the only egg in there that I had. Oh no. This is emotional. So, since it changed into a random, that means I have to get 2,000 tickets now. Oh, God, jeez, sheesh. Well, that's time for farming. Almost got the goo boots in there. Well, guys, I guess that's it for this video. I have no idea what to do now, because I don't need it. I'm gonna have to change it back. Wait, what? What? I've never had a gifted basic bee before, so that's another thing. I should have gotten a gifted basic bee. I just like to keep 3 basic bee eggs in my hive, but anyways. Gosh. Anyways, guys, I think that's it for this video. The next time you guys hear from me will be whenever I have 2,000 tickets available. And we will be able to buy the Supreme Star Amulet. Now, I already have 300 tickets from the help of these. For getting the 40 tickets here. But that's just a head start. I still gotta get 2,000 tickets. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Next time you guys hear from me will be whenever I have 2,000 tickets, and we'll be getting 2 more star treats so we can buy the Supreme Star Amulet. Anyways, guys, please like and subscribe, guys. Oh my gosh, please. This is painful. Anyways, guys, please subscribe, like the video, share, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye.